Welcome back to our series on admin settings in Microsoft Fabric. Today we're going to go into discovery settings, or how the heck do people even find the right data inside your organization? Excited to talk about it. All right, so again, inside the Fabric Admin portal, we're going to browse down to the discovery settings, and there's 3 settings we're going to be talking about today, and they all have the basic same concepts here. These are, should you be able to make promoted, certified, or just regular content discoverable? Each of these settings have the same basic concepts in place. Can people, can you make it so that this content is discoverable? Now, this is on by default. There's some kind of documentation that we have out here. Links are down below. But basically what this does is allow users to find content that they don't have access to through Power BI, through Excel, and then be able to request access to it. Let me show it to you how this works. So inside of a model, you can actually endorse the model, say if it's promoted, or if it's promoted, if it's certified, and if people can find it. Where will they find it? They'll find it inside of the one like Data Hub, Power BI semantic models, and they'll find the items out here. Now, this is something you might want to put some restriction in place to say, you know what, I want people to have the ability to find and request access to certified content and promoted content. But you know what? There's 10 billion uncertified reports that are out there. If people don't have access to this, I don't want them to find this. So what I'm going to recommend is that you make promoted content discoverable. You make certified content discoverable. Those things should be available for everyone to be able to set and choose, as they're building out semantic models and building out content. If people should be able to find it, ask for access to it. 100% good. This is one where I'm in favor of actually disabling this. If content hasn't reached the point of it being at least promoted, don't make people go through a formal process for getting access to it. That ad hoc stuff, that stuff that's kind of just thrown into the service, all potentially very valuable stuff, but you don't need to search and find the equivalent of every Excel spreadsheet inside the network, right? That, you shouldn't have an approval process for that. It's just people talking to other people, right? Because there could be thousands of these things. Turn this last one off. Again, I'm actually going to turn it on because this is my test tenant, but I would actually disable this if I were you. All right. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned to all of the upcoming, videos. Maybe heck, turn on the alerts so you get notified when we go live or we do other things. Check out all the other videos that we have on the admin capabilities. There's a ton of stuff out there. This is video 11 in the series. We've got a whole bunch more coming because I'm barely halfway down the scroll bar of admin settings inside Microsoft Fabric. If you're finding this all way too overwhelming, head over to kratosbi.com. Click on Find Yourself a Data God. There's a little form there, and myself or one of my associates will reach out to you, and we'll take care of you, make sure that you get everything all sorted out inside your organization. All right? Until then, peace. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.